Good morning, my people. It is breakfast time, so we're trying to prepare something before everybody wakes up. And today we're going to prepare some sausages and samosas. Here, they're ready. I had made them already, and then I put them in the freezer. So I already removed them, just deep frying them. I'm cooking them together to save on fuel, save on time. Because anyway, I'm not cooking so many, just enough for the family. Don't mind the noise. That is the father and the daughter. They're too noisy. We're so used to them. It's called bonding. Bonding time. Mm. So my sausages are ready. And I'll have them out. I'll put them on the paper towel so that they drain the excess oil. If you notice, I dunga tushimo so that it can cook properly from the inside. This is how I do it. It makes it cook from inside without waiting for so long ati ningoje iive ndio nitoe, unapata imeungua. So you see, by having the small prickings, it makes it cook. It's just you find it's a bit golden, but it's cooked properly from the inside. Yes, as you can see. So there we go, they're ready. Just want to take with tea.